Okay, so these will be available to you. Like I already made those other ones from last week available to you in your module. So if you want to revisit lecture.
The other one was way easier to use. It's automatic.
Okay. Like I said, they're available to you to use. You can go through them. They're just unedited. Just it's a recording of class, so you guys can go through. Remember hearing other people's questions and those kinds of things, if that'll help you jog your memory when it comes to studying things. Okay. Any questions on the homework? No? Nothing? You guys all got 100%?
Yes.
It's weird, because everything I graded really didn't turn out that way.
I just had some trouble converting this number to this number into a what percent kind of thing.
Okay, so let me allow pop-ups really quick. One that gave almost everybody I've graded so far. I still have some assignments to grade for you guys as they come in, but one that came up very frequently was, I'll turn it this way, was this one. 40.8% to a fraction. So how do we do that? Okay, so we can put that over 100. That's a start. Is that reduced all the way?
No.
No.
So how do we reduce it?
Move the decimal.
What's that?
Move the decimal.
Divide
The
by
easiest
4.
way, because we have dividing by 4 still leaves us with a decimal, right? We don't want a decimal when we have a fraction. We want whole numbers when we have fractions, right? So, easiest thing to do, because remember we talked about this just a little bit, if you move it one way here, then you move it one way here. So what's my new number?
408.
408 over 1,000, right? Do I have a whole number on top?
Yes.
Do I have a whole number on bottom?
Yes.
So now we can start doing some math, right? So if I divide by 2, what does that give me?
204.
204 over 500.
102 over 250.
See, I'm getting this.
Right under.
Hi, did you notice that this puts it in reverse?
Yes.
It's like a mirror image.
That's going to be on your next notes. That's going to be hysterical.
Yeah, if everything like, I can't
Play
read
this
in
backwards.
reverse. I'll have to flip the camera. So,
Okay, so divide it by 2 again.
if I divide it by 2 again,
It's 102 over 250. Divide it by 2 again. It would have been easier to divide it by something bigger, but
divided by,
Something over.
51 over 125.
okay. Is that now to the lowest
Yes.
possible answer?
Yes.
So 51 over 25, if you would have just started dividing 40.8 over 100, doing the same thing, you would have never got to the lowest possible whole number. You would have started out below, because if you notice, we have if we have 40 over 100, it's way less than 51 over 125. So make sure you get rid of your decimal places first before you do any reductions. Okay. Okay, that was one commonly missed. Another one that occasionally came up was the number 8. This came up in my other class too. Number 8 in Roman numerals. How do I do it?
V and 3 I's.
V and 3 1.
So, what did we say? We said 3 I's and a V. Is that right?
No.
No. Remember, you're bigger, unless you're doing a lesser number like 4, 9, those kinds of things, your bigger numbers always come first. So make sure that you put V, I. Okay?
Did you do IIX?
No.
The one that
Why
the
not?
one that confused
because your first number has to be the larger number
Oh,
for the rules of Roman numerals.
oh,
So IIX,
Right, by itself is,
this is 9, but 1 before the I before the I.
You can only put one.
Right.
You can only put one in front of, and you can only put one B in front of something else.
Right.
It's only one.
It's only, you can only count before on the 1 digit prior.
if there was an X in front of that,
So yeah, so that, this would be, IX would be 9,
okay.
okay? What about 14?
X, that'd be,
No?
no,
That doesn't work?
no.
Because you can only put three.
Right, you can only have 3 for your same numerals in a row. Okay, so just remember that. Just some of the little things that came up when I was grading the homework. Let me flip this around so that